You could call it the light at the end of the tunnel, with BC students expected to go back to class at near normal conditions this fall. But they're also going back in a world where we're still living with COVID-19, a virus that is expected to stay with us. So how do parents, teachers, and students navigate that?
My inbox is lit up. It's been a little quiet the last few days, and it's kind of been a relief in some ways. Like, I love hearing from people, but just to know that there was a bit of calm and now it's all stirred up again.
Kathy Marlis created the BC COVID School Tracker page as a platform for public info sharing about exposures and cases in schools. Depending on the way things go, she's worried not enough information will be shared about exposures down the line.
I think we need to keep those layers of protection, whether our public health officer agrees to keep them there or not. We can choose to keep our kids as safe as possible.
Dr. Anna Wolak, a family physician based in Vancouver, agrees.
When we go back to school in September, yes, all the adults in the school will have been vaccinated. Hopefully all the children 12 and up will have been vaccinated, but we still have the 12 and unders who we still need to protect.
A more fulsome return is inevitable, especially since, according to one child psychiatrist, for most kids, being removed from opportunities to interact in person has been detrimental to youngsters. That means parents will have to find a balance.
There are some students who are able to function quite well independently, working perhaps with Zoom or using their textbooks and things online. But others need to have an awful lot more clear direction and support from teachers. And those are ones who are most at risk to falling behind.
That means as your child gets ready to go back to class in September, having open and honest conversations with them about how they're feeling, given many of them have been in an atypical learning environment for 15 months.
Assist kids in understanding what their experiences have been, and to be able to see that certainly it has been to a detriment for them, but we are coming out of this. We have a future to look forward to.
Ahead of this return to school, Dr. Wolak says it's important to be in tune with your health.
Masks on everybody and staying home when you're sick.
And if there's one silver lining, it's that there are other illnesses that this could apply to, seeing as we only had one case of the flu in BC last year.
We've gone 15 months without a cold. So people will be more accepting of it should it come to that.
In Vancouver, Ria Renouf, City News.